Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I've been wanting to swap out our old plastic food storage containers for a long time with glass ones. I finally did it. I found this great set from JoyJolt. One of the reasons I chose this is it's a 24-piece set. So you have 12 different storage containers and they each come with their own lid. A very nice variety of shapes and sizes. You have 4 round, 4 square, and 4 rectangle. I definitely love having glass over plastic. I store a lot of leftovers in these type of containers. So now I can reheat my leftovers in the same container that they're stored in, as well as eat out of it. These have a fantastic seal, so your food's gonna stay fresh. They are 100% leak proof. I put some water in here just to demonstrate that it's not gonna leak or spill. So if you do travel with your food like I do, on occasion, you can be confident it's not gonna make a mess in your lunch bag. These are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and you can put them in the freezer. So I'll use these to freeze fruit as well. I think containers like these in a kitchen is an absolute must. I would totally skip doing the plastic. Go to these, better quality, microwave safe, totally leak proof. You're absolutely gonna love them. And that's my point of view.